One thing I really love to do, as trivial as it sounds, is learn how to count 1 to 10 in different languages. It seems to be something that really sticks in my head. So I thought today I would go over how to count 1 to 10 in Scottish Gaelic. In ga, trí, céchad, cóig, shia, seach, och, nay, J. I'll go over that one again. So it's in ga, trí, céchad, cóig, shia, seach, och, nay, J. I'll do it once more. In ga, trí, céchad, cóig, shia, seach, och, nay, J. So a little bit quicker. It's in ga, trí, céchad, cóig, shia, seach, och, nay, J. I could probably do it a little bit faster, but I'll probably get tongue-tied and messed up. So that is how you count 1 to 10 in Scottish Gaelic, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!